Okay, it's another beautiful day in Big Mama's garden. So let's take another look at our collard greens and our cabbage and our other brassicas that's growing beautiful right now in Big Mama's garden. Look at the beautiful collard greens. Come on, collard greens. Y'all looking great. Yes, you are. Look at those beautiful leaves. Yes. Okay. Be able to harvest a few more, you guys, to add with my other collard greens I already have and cook y'all for Thanksgiving. Yes. Y'all looking great. Over here. Yes, yes. Look at you. I see you down under there. I see you. Come on. Come on. Continue to grow us some nice, beautiful collard greens. Okay, I'm gonna plant these cabbage transplants over in here that I got from my feed and seed store. And I'm gonna cover them up also with some straw mulch. Okay. I got the I don't know what else I'm gonna put in here with it. I know I'm gonna put some onions. And I had planted some carrot seeds already over in here, but none of them I have seen germinated yet. Okay. Come on, cabbage, grow big for us. Now look at the cabbage. Y'all still looking nice too. Look at that. Yes, you are. Nice, beautiful leaves on you. But I haven't gotten that head forming yet. But you're coming, you're coming. And look at you guys over here. Y'all looking nice. Come on. Oh, some nice cabbage heads for us there. Like something still over here trying to eat up on you. I had pulled off some of the leaves already, but I'm gonna have to come back. But look at that, got carrots coming up. Looking nice. Come on, carrots. Come on, cabbage. And look at my broccoli. Look like y'all are getting bigger there. Come on, broccoli. And my cabbage growing over here. I see some more sprouting up there. Come on, cabbage, come on. I have one that did survive from the transplants that I put over here. Come on, cabbage, come on, come on. Come on, grow for us. I think I need to harvest some of these eggplants over here. Boy, the leaves, look how big you have gotten. Eggplant. The leaves, the branches are hanging over here. Look at this one over here. Y'all about to break off. Okay, look at that. I see you. I gotta hurry up and get something else to brace you up or go ahead and harvest some of these eggplants. Look at that, the branches leaning now. So heavy. So much weight on it right now. Okay, eggplant. We'll be harvesting you soon. some collard greens over here getting bigger. Look at y'all. Look at the leaves. Y'all getting big over here. Come on, mustard greens. Come on, mustard greens. Grow for us. Okay, collard greens. Grow some nice big collard green leaves.